601.
Go ahead.
We don't have address here, but I'm being told if you go under the old highway, if you go under the railroad bridge, it's right there.
79601, we all 481 on DMA 3.
Tracker 601, go ahead.
Marty, can you TX my cell?
Stand by, one.
601, 602, we are north of that railroad bridge. I believe we're in location. We're going to start searching this area.
Okay.
Okay, 9598.
9598.
I'll be changing the tire. She should be on the road in about 10, 15 minutes.
9598.
486, 601.
Go ahead.
Kind of hang out there in the area there. They're going to try to get a hold of the dog search team, and then I'll need you to direct the dog search team once I get them to you.
We're searching other buildings as we speak also. I'll stand by here at the fertilizer plant.
Claire, if you could maybe have part of your team go in that general area that they're walking toward.
U-10-9, I didn't copy. You're broken up.
Upper Sun now.
I didn't copy your last traffic. Can you repeat?